how to make your playlist public on Spotify. So for that purpose, head over to Spotify once again, head over to your library. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus button right here. We're going to create a playlist, right? So from here, let's name our playlist Drive, and we are going to simply click on Create. Now this is a playlist that is already created. You have the option to click on the three dots and make it private. Initially it's always public, so we're going to make it private to make it public. Now once again, you're simply going to click on those three dots once again and easily make that playlist public. My playlist looks so lonely, so we're just going to add a few songs. This one, as well as this one. So this is my playlist that I've created. So any and almost everybody on Spotify can have access to this playlist of mine. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.